Hi students, how are you all? You all are aware that in the current scenario, the COVID-19 pandemic has shown us the value of having alternate ways to connect with the students in the absence of face-to-face classroom setting. Today, we are with this digital platform and we are all taking care to access at your convenience. See children, so far we have completed a reading from first unit. Before we move to next, I would like to inspire you by a quote. I share the screen. Have a glance. Accept the challenges so that you can feel the exhilaration of victory. What is a challenge? A challenge is something new and difficult to face. It requires a great effort and determination. A challenge is nothing but which test your strength and skill. So, if anyone challenges, be ready to accept. Your acceptance means that you are ready to face the challenge. So, what happens if you accept the challenge? You can feel the exhilaration of victory. What is exhilaration? A state of feeling happiness, excitement, elation. So, whenever you accept a challenge, you are ready to face anything. That gives lot of excitement, happiness, elation of success. So, my dear children, I would like to inspire you that every one of you should try to accept the challenge. For example, a boxer challenges another boxer to participate in the boxing match. So, when he accepts the challenges, ultimately he gets the feeling of happiness. Okay, children, let's move to next step. See, children, as a quick recap, nothing but we can say have a glimpse. The topic, the snake and the mirror. Already we have completed. Today, once again, we are going to discuss in brief. We are given 6 sentences as 6 important bullets. Let's see the first one. A doctor of homeopathy described humorously his experience with a snake. So here the story starts with a narrator, a doctor of homeopathy describing his experience with a snake to his friends. Next, he was a great admirer of beauty and believed in making himself look handsome. So this homeopathy doctor is a solitary, single man, a bachelor. So being a bachelor, always he wants to take special care of his handsomeness. So always he is a great admirer of his beauty and believes that in making himself always try to look handsome. Okay. Third one. He wanted to marry a woman doctor who had a plenty of money with a good medical practice. So this doctor wanted to marry a woman doctor who had a plenty of money with a good medical practice. He was so greedy that he wanted to marry a woman doctor who had a good medical practice. And moreover, she should be fat enough so that if you try to run, she would not able to catch. Really funny. Next, a fat snake landed on his shoulder, but he could not try to jump or cry out as there was no time for him. So all of a sudden, when he was in a room, from the roof, a fat snake landed on his left shoulder. But he could not try to jump or cry out as he was totally frightened. And moreover, there was no time to do such thing because the snake was very close to him. Next, the snake unwound his arm as it saw a mirror and went near it to see the reflection and admire its beauty. When the snake coiled his left arm, the left arm was draining total strength of his body. It was so painful for him. It was completely uncontrollable. But all of a sudden, the snake happened to see a mirror in his room, and it was attracted to mirror and moved towards it. So as and when it unwound its arm and saw the mirror, it went near to it to see its reflection. The snake was standing in front of the mirror and admiring its beauty. It was the first snake he had ever seen like that. And there were many questions coming in the mind of a doctor when the snake was standing in front of the mirror. Last point, the doctor did not see the snake again, which was taken with its own beauty. So when the snake left his arm and went near to his mirror, was totally free, was very happy that completely is out of danger. And after some time, he did not see the snake again, and as if it was the first snake which was taken with its own beauty. So here is all the 5-6 sentences. We tell you the story briefly. So now I think all of you understood very well the topic, the snake and the mirror. Let's move to next. Okay, children, as a home assignment, you are given 3 questions. Let me explain to you in detail. The first one, identify the phrasal verbs, at least 5, and make on your own sentences. So from the lesson, you can pick out any 5 phrasal verbs. What is a phrasal verb? A verb that is followed by a preposition or adverb. You can pick out any 5 and make your own sentences. Second one, pick out any 3 sentences from lesson and underline all the words and name their parts of speech. So here, from the lesson, you pick out any 3 sentences, underline all the words, then you name its part of speech. Left side, you write the words, and right side, you identify their parts of speech. Last one, write at least 5 sentences using simple past tense and a past perfect tense. So even in the lesson, you can find many sentences using simple past tense and a past perfect tense. So what you have to do is write at least 5 sentences using both the tenses, either separately or by joining. So by this, today's home assignment ends. Bye children, take care.